Today we will be eating at Chick-fil-A and Popeyes, so get ready for a delicious feast. Why did the chicken cross the playground? Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. All right, so after trying Chick-fil-A and considering all the factors, I would rate it a solid 9.1 out of 10. The Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich was incredible. The waffle fries were perfectly crispy, and the nuggets were a delightful burst of flavor. I would rate Popeyes a solid 8.7 out of 10. Their chicken is always crispy and full of flavor. I tried the Popeyes chicken sandwich and it was absolutely delicious. The fries were crispy and the nuggets were perfectly seasoned. Chick-fil-A wins the battle.